Here's my time slider, which I've programmed and built. All functioning. Just turn it on. It was in standby though, and when it's in standby the battery will last for years. Right, in this set position you can choose where to put the carriage on the rail. You can go back and forward on. Right. And then you got onto the next menu, select the step. This adjusts the how far the carriage moves when it's been triggered. So if I set it at 10 and go to 5 seconds, when it comes up to 5 seconds the carriage will move about 15 millimeters. There we go. Right, so if I go back to set position, take it back, bring down the step, bring it about 4, which I usually use. 5 seconds, I usually have it set on 10, but for the demonstration I set it on 5, and you will see that it moves a small distance, but you can get it smaller than that depending on how far you want to go with your videos. Right, while it's in this mode you can turn the screen off, turn it back on, and then obviously come out of the loop, and if you're in the loop you can go back on yourself to choose the menu, and when you're in there hold the button down and that goes into standby, and that battery will last for like years. And obviously just push the button, come out the menu.
Whether you have an iPhone X or iPhone XS, Auti creates new possibilities for fun and high-quality photography. There are 3 different types of double, macro, telephoto, and fisheye, telephoto and wide-angle lenses to meet your different shooting needs. This is Auti Lens Case. Makes your fun moments more special. The 186-degree fisheye and 2x telephoto lenses allows you to greatly extend your optical zoom range. You're never too old to make new discoveries. Use the 10x macro lens and 20x super macro lens to get extreme close-up detail. Capture more and extend the range of your iPhone's camera with the 120 wide-angle and 2x telephoto lens. Telephoto to help take photos of objects from far distance without you having to get too close to your subject. The aluminum alloy case perfectly protects the lens set and makes outdoor shooting more secure. It is easy to use and can be opened or closed with just one touch. The different functions of the 3 groups of lenses can be switched at any time, easily. There are even extra functions for lens case. The case has an e-card holder, convenient to putting cards in daily life. Additionally, there is a pressure-activated support that lets you watch videos easily. It is stylish additions to your active lifestyle. The soft cases are made of high-quality leather with only 27 grams, surrounding your iPhone with a protective and comfortable cushion.
This is SwitchPod, a minimal, versatile, handheld tripod designed specifically for filming videos or taking photos on the go. Quickly switch from a handheld grip to a tripod and then back again, in just seconds. It's super slim, and it easily fits into your bag. Or just clip it on instead. SwitchPod is built to last. It's made with an aluminum alloy, not plastic, so it will hold whatever camera, lens, and accessories you put on top of it. Yet, it only weighs 11 ounces, or 315 grams. That's less than your morning mug of coffee, minus the coffee. Here's how it works. First, attach your camera with the tightening knob, or attach any ball head, quick release system, or phone adapter. Next, grip the handle wherever you'd like. If you need to choke up or switch hands, no problem. To set it down, just swing the legs open. Or if you want to be fancy, try it with one hand. When you're ready to pick it back up, bring the legs back together. The tools you use to create shouldn't get in the way of you creating. That's why we created the SwitchPod. Hey there, I'm Pat Flynn.
And I'm Caleb Wojcik, and as video creators, we've been frustrated by the options that are out there for putting our cameras on tripods. They're clunky and inconvenient and just kind of annoying. So we came up with the idea for SwitchPod because we knew there had to be a better way. Something that's lightweight but strong, something that's not too big or obnoxious or hard to hold, and something that's fun and quick to use.
And over the past year, we've been designing, prototyping, and testing several versions of the SwitchPod. And at every stage, we've shown prototypes to several video creators, YouTubers, vloggers, filmmakers, and creators like us to get feedback and make this thing great.
So we finalized version 1.0, this one right here, and we're ready to manufacture the first bigger batch. But that's where we need your help. We've invested our own money up front so far, but to launch this thing at scale and to get the tooling made to manufacture a bunch of these, that's why we're here on Kickstarter.
So if you want to help bring the SwitchPod to life, pre-order yours today. Thanks again, and we're excited to see how you use it. Make the switch.
Switch it up.
Flip the switch.
Switch gears.
Switch it again.
Switch it real good.
Oh gosh, that's so bad.
No,
we're gonna lose people. Or get people, maybe.
Lenses. Ozbot Tail is also the first camera to have a 3-axis PTZ system supporting a physical 360-degree panning. Ozbot Studio is a powerful free app that lets you do cool things like have multiple shooting ratios and use vertical shooting mode. Use mirroring to show the real-time inversion videos so that it's easier for you to learn how to dance. Add synchronization filters. Ozbot Tail will become your smart, AI-enabled cameraman who films your life seamlessly. Ozbot Tail. Be your own director.
Hi guys, my name is Johnson, and I'm a partner here at Remote Tech. We created Ozbot Tail with our series of patent technologies which are first time to be seen in the world. It opens up a new category in the imaging industry and allows anyone to be their own director without asking for help from anyone else or holding the camera and fixing the angles all the time. We believe cameras with new functions and forms will become an essential part in our daily self-expressing and communication. We're very excited for the possibility of revolutionizing the way how we record and make videos, as well as the way how we socialize. Our philosophy here at OpSpot is simple: to empower both amateurs and professionals to truly write on their creativity via visual format in a simpler and ultra-light way, and to record life and the world around to share and open dialogues across boundaries. Now, you don't need a bulky and complicated DSLR anymore. Also, unlike mobile phones and action cameras, OpSpot Tail is a smart, intuitive, powerful, and hand-free tool for anyone to be their own director. We hope you find it as seamless and powerful as we do. After 2 years of development of this product, we really hope you can support us and bring this fantastic product into your life.
A Nuke is the revolutionary support that combines lightness, compactness, and versatility for video photographic applications. Designed and made in Italy, it can support action cameras, smartphones, DSLRs, tablets, and 2 additional accessories on the foldable arms. Use it in combination with straps and an action camera to create your own dynamic videos. A Nuke is a lightweight carbon fiber composite, rock-solid platform perfect for shooting on cars, bikes, and motorbikes. Suction cups provide a secure bond for amazing applications you wouldn't have thought of. A Nuke is lightweight and pocket-sized like your mobile phone. It can easily become your all-in-one support for interviews or live recording using the ergonomic handle. Foldable arms support both microphone and light. With magnets and orientable legs, capture videos even in the most difficult situations. A Nuke is so quick, user-friendly, and versatile that it can be your support for a selfie, giving you the possibility to shoot from incredible perspectives. Used in combination with our ball head, you can turn your device to the best angle to film. Use it in any situation. It's handy to support your tablet whenever you need it right next to you. A Nuke follows you in your car to support your smartphone, to film you and your friends, or to simply allow an easier access to your phone. A Nuke is a perfect combination of your tablet for relaxing moments too, providing stable support everywhere. A Nuke is much more than a product. It's an open and expandable video photo platform. We are a team of professionals with a long experience in video and photo supports. We have created a made-in-Italy, fully mechanical, reliable, and functional product. If you back us, we can move on to mass production and unlock additional accessories such as a dolly and a sliding pulley. A Nuke starter kit comprises of a universal 1/4 to 20 camera screw and a smartphone and GoPro mounts, connecting virtually any camera to any surface in any position, still or in motion. A Nuke is the world's most versatile video and photo support in your pockets. Shoot like a pro!